Have you ever wondered how small changes in your diet can make a huge difference in your health? Especially when we talk about the kidneys, these vital organs that are often forgotten until something goes wrong. Imagine discovering that some common fruits, which you easily find in the supermarket, can be powerful allies in protecting and maintaining kidney health. It seems almost counterintuitive, but it's true. And the best part, you don't need to be a nutrition expert to understand and apply this knowledge. The reward is quick and the benefits, immense. Let's explore together how blueberries, apples, cranberries, watermelons, and grapes can transform the way your kidneys work, keeping them clean and running at full speed. Get ready to discover secrets that few know, but that can change your life. And the most interesting part, all this with practical and accessible tips that you can start applying today. Want to know more? Then, come with me on this journey through the fascinating world of fruits and their relationship with kidney health. Blueberries' antioxidant power. You may have heard that blueberries are superfoods, right? These little blue fruits are rich in antioxidants like polyphenols and anthocyanins, which are true heroes in the fight against oxidative stress. When our body is overloaded by free radicals, these antioxidants come into action, helping to reduce inflammation and, consequently, protecting the kidneys. Imagine you're feeling a bit heavy after a long day of work. Consuming a bowl of blueberries can be the relief your kidneys need to function optimally. Moreover, studies show that blueberries can help lower blood pressure. This is crucial for kidney health, as hypertension is one of the main causes of kidney diseases. High blood pressure forces the kidneys to work harder, and blueberries help keep everything under control. For example, you can add these fruits to a morning smoothie or a lunch salad, ensuring a daily dose of health for your kidneys. Another amazing benefit of blueberries is the prevention of urinary tract infections, UTIs. These infections are a headache, literally and figuratively, as they can severely affect kidney function. The ability of blueberries to prevent bacteria from adhering to the walls of the urinary tract is a real blessing. Think of an afternoon snack. Instead of opting for a cookie, how about a handful of blueberries? And of course, blueberries are great for those looking for a practical and tasty way to take care of their kidneys. Their versatility in cooking allows them to be incorporated into various recipes, from desserts to main dishes. So, next time you think of something sweet to eat, remember that blueberries, besides being delicious, are silently taking care of your kidneys, preparing the ground for us to continue our learning journey about other beneficial fruits. Apples' fiber and nutrient benefits. Apples are those fruits that everyone knows and loves. But besides being tasty, they are true allies for kidney health. Rich in fiber and low in potassium, sodium, and phosphorus, apples are a smart choice for those who want to keep their kidneys in shape. The fiber present in apples helps reduce inflammation, improves gut health, and keeps blood sugar levels under control. Imagine starting the day with a sliced apple for breakfast, providing your body with a healthy boost early on. Another strong point of apples is the presence of antioxidants, such as quercetin, which play an important role in reducing blood pressure. High blood pressure can be a serious problem for the kidneys, but apples help keep it at healthy levels. How about taking an apple in your bag for an afternoon snack? Thus, you not only satisfy your hunger but also take care of your kidney health in a practical and tasty way. Apples are also known to improve digestive health, thanks to their high fiber content. A healthy gut contributes to the proper functioning of the kidneys, as an efficient digestive system helps eliminate toxins from the body. Try adding apple pieces to your salads or baking them with a touch of cinnamon for a delicious and nutritious snack. And we can't forget that apples are a versatile and accessible option for everyone. Whether in juices, salads, desserts, or simply raw, they are a delicious way to keep the kidneys healthy. By choosing apples regularly, you are making a smart investment in your kidney health and preparing to learn about other beneficial fruits that can do wonders for your body. Cranberries for UTI prevention. Cranberries, these small red jewels, are a true blessing for kidney health. They are known for their ability to prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs. These fruits work by preventing bacteria from adhering to the walls of the urinary tract, thus reducing the risk of infections that can cause stress on the kidneys. Imagine starting the day with a glass of cranberry juice. Besides refreshing, it can be the defense your kidneys need. In addition to preventing UTIs, cranberries are low in sodium, potassium, and phosphorus, making them an excellent choice for those who need to control these nutrients in their diet. This is especially important for people with kidney problems, who need to maintain a strict balance of these minerals. How about adding dried cranberries to your morning cereal or lunch salad? It's a simple and tasty way to take care of your kidneys daily. Cranberries are also rich in antioxidants, which help neutralize free radicals and protect kidney cells. These antioxidants, such as flavonoids, play a crucial role in reducing oxidative stress and inflammation. Imagine a relaxing afternoon where you enjoy a cranberry tea. It's a small break that offers great benefits for your kidneys. And of course, cranberries are incredibly versatile in cooking. They can be used in juices, sauces, salads, and even desserts. By incorporating them into your regular diet, you not only diversify your meals but also take an important step in maintaining kidney health. Now that we know how beneficial cranberries can be, we're ready to discover more about other fruits that also play a vital role in kidney health. Watermelon's hydration and detox. Watermelon is a fruit that screams summer, right? Besides being refreshing and delicious, it plays a vital role in kidney health. With its high water content and low oxalate levels, watermelon helps keep the kidneys hydrated and prevents the formation of kidney stones. Imagine yourself on a hot day, savoring a slice of chilled watermelon. This simple act can be a great ally in maintaining kidney health. In addition to maintaining hydration, watermelon is rich in antioxidants like lycopene and citrulline. These compounds help reduce oxidative stress and promote blood vessel health, which in turn improves kidney function. How about preparing a watermelon juice to start the day? Besides being delicious, it can provide a good dose of hydration and protection for your kidneys. Watermelon is also excellent for detoxifying the body. Its ability to increase urine production helps eliminate accumulated toxins from the body, relieving the load on the kidneys. Imagine including watermelon in your daily meals, whether in fruit salads, smoothies, or simply as a dessert. It's an easy and tasty way to support kidney health. And of course, watermelon is a versatile fruit that can be incorporated into various recipes. Besides consuming it fresh, you can make juices, salads, or even watermelon popsicles. By making watermelon a regular part of your diet, you are not only enjoying its refreshing flavor but also investing in your kidney health. Now, with watermelon, we are ready to explore how other fruits can continue to benefit our kidney health. Grapes' diuretic and antioxidant properties. Grapes, especially dark varieties, are small wonders for kidney health. They are rich in resveratrol and flavonoids, powerful antioxidants that help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation. Imagine a quiet afternoon where you enjoy a bunch of grapes while watching your favorite show. Besides being pleasurable, this habit can offer great benefits for your kidneys. Another strong point of grapes is their natural diuretic property. They help increase urine production, facilitating the elimination of toxins from the body. This relieves the workload of the kidneys and promotes detoxification. How about adding grapes to your afternoon snack or including them in a refreshing salad? It's a practical and delicious way to take care of kidney health. Furthermore, grapes are versatile and can be incorporated into various recipes, from desserts to main dishes. The presence of antioxidants like resveratrol also contributes to the health of blood vessels, which is essential for kidney function. Imagine preparing a fruit salad with grapes, apples, and blueberries. It's a combination that not only pleases the palate but also protects the kidneys. And of course, grapes are an accessible and easy-to-find option in any market. By choosing grapes regularly, you are making a simple and effective investment in your health. Whether in juices, fresh, or in salads, they are a delicious way to keep the kidneys functioning perfectly. With this, we conclude the journey through beneficial fruits for the kidneys, ready to synthesize this knowledge into an engaging introduction. Now that you have discovered how blueberries, apples, cranberries, watermelons, and grapes can work wonders for your kidneys, how about starting to apply this knowledge in your daily life? Think of all the small changes that can have a big impact on your health. Start adding these fruits to your diet and see how your body responds positively. Have you thought about including a blueberry smoothie for breakfast or a fruit salad with apples and grapes for lunch? Small habits can transform your life. So, are you ready to take this step? How can you incorporate these tips into your routine? What other areas of your life can you improve with small daily changes? Let your curiosity guide you and don't stop here. The journey to a healthier life is just beginning. If you enjoyed this content and want to continue learning more about how to take better care of your health, subscribe to our channel and activate notifications. This way, you won't miss any of our upcoming videos filled with practical and valuable tips. Let's transform knowledge into action together and ensure a long and healthy life for our kidneys and our entire body.